muffin pan. I'm gonna grease it. We're making an easy dessert. I have some sugar cookie dough cut up, and we're just gonna place it in each muffin tin. Okay, this is gonna be so good. I'm using the Pillsbury sugar dough. You can make your own dough if you want to, but I really like the pre-made stuff.
I love the stuff that you're using. I'm super excited to see it.
Right? Okay. We have some extra bits that I'm just gonna fill in with some of those smaller ones. Ooh, this is gonna be so good.
So if you have extra dough, just stuff it in there.
Yeah, exactly.
Maybe some over here.
Don't waste any of it. You're gonna use that whole log.
I love using logs.
Okay. All right, perfect. Kind of give it a nice little smush so that cookie dough combines well. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna pop this in the oven real quick, and then we're gonna finish up this dessert. It's so quick, it's that
Super
easy.
fast. All right, let's do it.
All right, those look perfect. Now they are nice and warm, and while they're warm, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a glass. I'm going to spray it with a little bit of pan, just like that. We're just gonna kind of push those down real quick, just so that they're cups. Super quick. This is gonna be so good. We're gonna fill them up, and they're gonna be so cute. Little individual desserts. Okay, that looks perfect. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my blueberry pie filling and scoop. Scoop right into that hole we just created. Isn't that so cute?
That's super dope.
Okay.
I would have never thought to use the shot glass to make these holes.
Yeah, you can use any small glass you have. Okay, that is perfect. So we're gonna have one row blueberry. All right, now I'm gonna do lemon. Oh, and this lemon pie filling is so delicious. I love it. You guys have to try it if you haven't before. Just right in there. Do it while it's warm so that the pie filling can get nice and warmed up by the cookies.
This is awesome.
Right? Don't they look so yummy?
Like, I don't even know what to expect.
Oh, expect deliciousness. Everyone gets their favorite flavor. All right, what's your favorite flavor?
My favorite flavor? I love strawberries. You already knew that.
Our last row is gonna be strawberries.
Ooh, yay.
Ooh, look how cute these are. They're turning out so beautiful. And you can do cherries if you like cherries. You can do whatever pie filling you like. I don't know if apples would fit, but it's definitely worth trying if apple's your favorite.
Yeah, I think apples and cookies,
All
This
right.
is better.
So we have our 3 different flavors. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little raspberry for my lemon ones, because lemon and raspberry are just too good. Plus it makes it look extra cute. How can you not love how these come out?
Oh, this looks cool.
All right, now we're gonna let them cool for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna pop them out. All right, let's try one of these. Okay, I'm gonna get one of these lemon ones. Oh, just pops right out.
Ooh.
Look how perfect that cookie is
Oh my
cooked.
gosh. That's just a sugar cookie, huh?
Yeah, let me get a blueberry one. You
That's
gotta
why
let
you
these
grease the
cool.
pan.
Yep, and you gotta let them cool, or else they'll just crack before you take them out. Okay, one of each.
Look at how beautiful those look.
Right? Okay, I got to try
Yeah.
right now.
Look, they're perfectly cooked.
So good.